Hey, what's good everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another video, and as you can see here I have a case from the good people at Pitaka. Thanks for sending this out for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now real quick, let's talk about this case in general. Now this is made from a rare 600D aramid fiber, which is widely used in aerospace and military applications. Now unlike carbon fiber, this Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra phone case will not interfere with the signal, and it is non-conducting, offering long-lasting protection for your phone and preventing color fading and daily scratches. This particular case weighs about 0.85 ounces. It is measured about 0.04 millimeters in thickness. This has no extra bolt to your S24 case. Feels like you're, just pretty much just rocking your phone without a case. It is improved use of comfort, and it has a unique 3D grip technology. Excuse me, for the Pitaka 4 cases. All right, so there you have it. Open it up. Now they did send me over the black gray twill. Now it does have precise cutouts, form fitting. The phone itself, very light. Got some little read material. Does have a little bit of MagSafe technology. I really think Samsung should really double their effort into getting into MagSafe technology. Very nice case. All the cutouts are precise and on point. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the phone. Snaps on very easy. And as you can see, it looks real nice with the phone itself. The power buttons and power button and volume rocker easily accessible. No problem with that. The S Pen and your Type-C USB cable opening is on point. So no problem with that. And the microphone hole cut out for both microphones. This case does retail for $64.99 as of the filming of this video. Have a real smooth material. Again, it feels like you're not gonna have much bulk. You ain't gotta worry about adding bulk to this at all. Let's try out some MagSafe products and let's see how it works. I have here one of my ESR wallets I like to rock from time to time. Fits very nicely. The real strong magnet coming from the actual case itself. I have an Anchor portable charger with MagSafe technology on the back. And it is charging the phone. Very strong magnets working with the case itself. The only problem I see with this particular Anchor battery charger, get a little blockage of the bottom camera, but it does get the job done in the pinch. If you're more concerned about charging your phone than taking a picture with this big battery on there, this is a great product to have. Got a wireless charging base over here. Another ESR one. Works very nicely and on point. So the case does add a little bit more to the Samsung S24 as far as, making it more readily available for MagSafe technology. So that's a plus. If you're interested in this case, I will leave the links down below. Like I said, it does retail for $64.99 as of the filming of this video today. If you have any questions, leave that down below. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.